Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Oh, is this looks like 21s.
Yeah.
The death penalties?
Yeah,
nice. Do you like them? The bigger cone area?
Yeah. I like it, man. A lot of times, too, I don't see anybody with them, so
yeah.
I don't need that uniqueness.
Yes, sir. Very nice. Looks like you've done some work on everything.
Yeah,
trying to stop where you can. And is this a flat wall, fourth order design?
Flat wall.
Okay.
Yeah, flat wall, tune. Yeah, that shit. It ain't really tuned too well. It ain't tuned to nothing.
That's all right.
Kind of just, you got kind of just play it and hope it lands.
Are these 10s?
12.
12s. Nice doors, man. So what is your power, electrical, alternator, all of that?
We got 100, I want to say 280 JYs from like 10 years old or something like that. So my voltage ain't there. But, and I got a Metman 370. 8K per, 2 ohm each.
So the 1 ohm version or 2 ohm version? 2 ohm, okay. So did you block off part of this port for pressure?
Yep, and then help with the lower frequency, bringing it down. Yes, and I did it.
What's your tuning like? Have you done an SPL?
Nah, it's supposed to be tuned 23s, but it's I kind of just went by ear.
You're good. Bossman, what's your name?
Bossman Paula on all social media.
All right, appreciate it. Thank you very much, man. Good job. Congrats with the building. Different, unique build.
Thank you.
Turn blue. Really good job, man. Does this seat go up at all for a picture? There we go. Yeah, I'd love to hear it. Does it do better with both windows down or one?
Either way, actually. Let's see. Let's get focus on 100.
All right. Alright, we're about to get a demo. Be sure to give them a like. 221-inch subwoofers, 221s. Really nice, man. Appreciate it. Bossman, what's your name?
Bossman Impala on all social media.
All right, appreciate it. Thank you very much, man. Good job. Congrats with the build. A different, unique build.
Thank you.
Turn blue. Really good job, man.